This video will take a deep dive into why modern smart televisions consume massive bandwidth in the background, and, more importantly, how to stop this secret data bleed. We are uncovering the invisible data leak, exploring why your smart TV is constantly busy, even when you aren't actively watching it. The three silent culprits behind high background data usage are automatic content recognition tracking, ghost updates, and ad telemetry. These processes operate constantly and in the background. Automatic content recognition, or ACR, is the biggest hidden data hog. It captures what you are viewing, even from HDMI devices, and constantly sends this data stream to the manufacturer and third-party brokers. Other background processes include system telemetry, like performance logs and, quote, heartbeat signals sent every few minutes. Also, apps engage in pre-caching, downloading trailers and images to make browsing feel faster. The 4K quality default is another major factor. Smart TVs aim to display the highest possible resolution. While 1080p uses 2 GB per hour, 4K uses 7 GB, always choosing the most data-intensive option by default. This graph illustrates active versus passive data usage. Note the constant background consumption, labeled as background bleed, which includes updates and tracking, even when the TV is supposedly off. The impact of 4K streaming is significant. Streaming a single 4K movie consumes 7.2 GB per hour. For households with data caps, just 4 hours of daily 4K content can quickly hit your limit. When comparing smart TVs to external streaming devices, TVs generally have low overall efficiency. External devices offer better data usage control, and ACR is often limited or requires opting in. To stop the drain, disable ACR in your TV's settings. Switch to manual updates for apps and software. You can also use your router to throttle the TV's bandwidth or disconnect the TV from Wi-Fi entirely if you use an external streaming box. External sticks, like Apple TV or Roku, are dedicated solutions designed for efficiency. They focus on optimized delivery with better caching and more transparent privacy settings, using less background data than a smart TV operating system.